Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can change the color of the background with the 4-type crops only with your iPhone and Instagram. And the device that you have to have or you have to use here is iPhone. Why? Because the iPhone has a feature that can help you to cut out the object from the picture. So here you just need to open the photo library, and then you just need to find the picture that you want to do with. So you already have the picture as well as the object on it. So first we need to cut out this object from the picture. How to do that? You just need to tap into this object and hold it. Tap and hold, and there will be like a glass moving into the object, and then just need to type copy. Now go back into your home screen and open your Instagram right away. Now swipe into the right side, so you will have an access into the Instagram story. Now you just need to tap into this button, and you will have this black colors on it. Now here we need to change the color of the background. You just need to tap into these 3 small dots and go click draw on it. Make sure that you pick the side, the pen, and then you just need to pick the color that you want to use here. You can do with every color that you want. Let's do with a pink here. Now after you change the pink color of the tint, now you just need to click and hold into the screen. Tap and hold, and they'll be like coloring everything on your screen. Now you already have this pink screen or pink background on it. Go click done. Now click this A, tap on it, and just go click paste. Now you already have the object copied into your Instagram story. Now adjusting the position, since we want to have 4, you just need to tap it and do the rest just the same. Go click into the screen and paste, and just tap and positioning the object. We need 2 more since we want to do a 4 cut on it. And then this will be the last. Adjusting the position and the size, and here we go, you are done. You already have this all cut. Now you just need to tap into the 3 small dot again, and then just save. Now go back into your home screen, open your photo, and then this is the result. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. That's so easy. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.